Hello and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing the high dollar buyers report found in the customer section of Communique for Marketplaces. My name is Tom and I'll be your presenter for this video. Communique for Marketplaces is an enterprise level cloud reporting platform designed for e-commerce merchants just like you. Communique features over 220 standard reports, dashboards, and utilities. It is remarkably intuitive and easy to use. In no time you'll be running reports just like a pro. The High Dollar Buyers Report is a specialized customer relationship management report. It is designed to identify your big spenders based on the periods selected and filters applied. This report provides advanced filtering capabilities to segment customers for effective marketing campaigns, promotions, and engagements. You'll be able to target the right customers at the right time for the right promotions. It is also a very effective tool for customer sales analysis, data mining, and business intelligence. Let's get started with the High Dollar Buyers presentation for Marketplace Reporting. Go to the Customers menu located in the ribbon bar and click for the drop-down menu. Select the High Dollar Buyers report. Right mouse click anywhere in the report and select Search from the pop-up menu. Let's discuss the available filters for this report. The date range option located upper left of the data filters is set to the last 90 days. You can select any range you like using the selectors. In addition to the date selectors, you can manually adjust the starting and ending dates to whatever range you require. In the lower left of the data filters are the date options, which determine which date type is used for selecting sales data. The order date is selected by default. The order date is the preferred date when generating customer reports. However, you can select the paid or ship date options if you find these dates more useful. The next set of filters we'll review are the filter options found in the upper right of the data filters. Let's look at each of the filters and discuss their significance with filtering high dollar buyers. The sales amount filter sets the floor for sales evaluation. You can set this amount to whatever value you require. Setting the sales amount filter to 0 ignores a product or revenue sales. The number of orders filter sets the minimum number of orders placed by the buyer within the period selected and filters applied. You can set this number to whatever value you required, but the minimum number is 1. Any value entered for filtering automatically uses the greater than or equal to comparison operator. You can change the default comparison operator by selecting an operator from the combo box located next to the filter. You can select equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. If you want to select no comparison operator and use a default instead, then select a blank entry. The next option is display orders. This option enables data nesting for drill downs to customer orders. Explained simply, when this option is enabled, you can select a customer and view their orders placed during the period selected and filters applied. The next filter option we'll review is the Use Billing Address instead. By default, the report uses the Ship To state and country when filtering by countries or states. Selecting this option changes the filtering to billing state and country. The next set of filters are the order status options. The default status is shipped and pending. You can include canceled orders depending on your objective. The next set of filters are the sales numbers option. By default, revenue selected. Revenue comprises a sale plus ship fees plus taxes minus discounts and coupons. The product sales option ignores the revenue modifiers and is focused on product sales only. The data filters for this report include additional filters located at the bottom. You can filter by countries, customers, fulfillments, groups, marketplaces, orders, pay methods, referrals, ship service, states, and warehouses. Now that we've explained the filter options and what they signify for this report, let's add some filters so we can review results for the high dollar buyers. Go to the sales amount and enter 1,000. Enter 5 for the number of orders. Now that we've entered filter values and selected a few options, click on the Marketplace Filter tab. Since you cannot market to Amazon or Walmart customers, we'll limit the list of those you can. From the available list, select the Google Express, Manual Orders, Sewer's Delight, Sewer's Boutique, Sewing Depot, and Sewing Outlet. These marketplace selections will limit report results to customers with sales in those marketplaces only. Click the Apply button to apply the filters for the High Dollar Buyers report. As you can see, there are 193 buyers displayed for this report. Before discussing key columns for this report, let's look at the sidebar found to the left of the report. Each report has a sidebar. By default, the sidebar is collapsed, displaying only images to save screen space for the report. You can click on the hamburger icon located in the top of the sidebar to open it. In addition to images, captions will now be displayed. Right mouse click anywhere in the report to display the pop-up menu. You'll see the pop-up menu commands are the same as those found in the sidebar. The sidebar provides quick and easy access to commands and features specific to each report, much like a pop-up menu. Let's look at the data columns for this report so we can explain what each represents. The ID and customer columns provide general information about the customer. The remaining columns are totals for each data point based on the period selected and filters applied. The orders and units column represents the total number of orders and units purchased by the customer. The sales column represents total product sales for orders. The taxes column represents the total sales tax collected from customers for their purchases. The shipping column represents the shipping amount collected from customers to ship their orders. The discounts and coupon columns represent the promotions and incentive amounts applied to orders. The revenue column represents the total amount charged to the customer for the orders. The revenue column comprises the sales plus ship fees plus taxes minus discounts and coupons. The COGS column is the total cost of goods sold related to product sales. The ship cost column represents the total cost by the merchant for shipping services for customer orders. The fees column represents the amount paid for marketplace sales and payment processing. The gross margin column represents the net amount or sales profit after revenues tallied and costs are subtracted, including sales tax. The gross margin percent represents the percentage of the net amount or sales profit in relation to net revenue. Net revenue is a term we use for revenue less sales tax. The last date and days column work together. The last date is the last recorded sales date for the customer. The days column is the number of days since last sale. The days represent the number of days between today and the last date. The report footer contains the grand totals and averages of each column for all customers displayed in this report. All customer reports have a similar layout to the high dollar buyers report. You can use the lessons learned of this presentation for those reports. Now that we've explained this report and respective data points, let's show you an interesting feature I believe you'll find useful. Recall the display orders option we discussed when reviewing the data filters? Let's go back to the data filters and enable the display orders option. Select the display orders option so we can demonstrate how the drill down feature operates. When done selecting the option, go to the apply button and apply the changes to the report. We still have the same 193 customers displayed as before, but something is different now. Next to the customer IDs, you'll see a right pointing arrow. The highlighted item has 467 orders, a little more than what we need for this demonstration. Go to the fifth item with 16 orders and click on the arrow to display the selected customer's orders. There are 16 orders displayed. Look at the subfooter for the 16 orders. You'll see that the totals match the same as the customer record. Pick the next customer and do the same as above. I think you get the idea how drill downs work. This concludes our presentation of the High Dollar Buyers Report found in the Customer section of Communicated for Marketplaces. In summary, the High Dollar Buyers Report is a specialized customer relationship management report. This report provides advanced filtering capabilities to segment customers for marketing campaigns, promotions, and engagements. You'll be able to target the right customers at the right time for the right promotions. It is a very effective tool for customer sales analysis, data mining, and business intelligence. The display orders options allow you to easily drill down to view customer orders. Reports are crucial for any business, especially yours. Marketplace Reporting provides you with better reports so you can have better results for your business. You can contact us at sales@marketplacereporting.com to learn more about Marketplace Reporting and how we can help. You can join the conversation at marketplacereporting.com/blog. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.